right. O, ayan, may natutunan ka na kaagad, Crystal. Hadia, ikaw naman, habang ang kuya mo ay nandito sa audience, Eric Santos is in the house, at nanonood.
I think,
Kunyari wala siya ha, sa ka lang ha, kung ano gusto mo sabihin.
I think po yung unforgettable or yung challenge po during the audition, bukod po sa kaba, since first time nga po, yung emotions ko po during the interview. Since nung first audition po, parang na-open about my brother, and then hanggang sa na-open ko na po yung sa mom ko, and then yung dad ko na during that time nasa hospital pa. And then nung may call na po for second audition, I wasn't able to attend kasi yun po, my dad passed away na. So parang after a week lang, parang ang bilis po lahat na parang nung first audition, pinag-uusapan pa lang na yung dad ko po nasa hospital, trying to get better. Tapos biglang second audition, di po ako naka-attend kasi weak na ng dad ko. So I think yun po yung challenge for me during the auditions, and yung constant na pag-overthink and panghihinayang kasi talagang gusto ko po yung itong auditions talagang gusto ko pong makakuha ng role, maging part ng series, and then sobra po akong nanghihinayang noon na hindi po ako naka-attend ng second audition.
How did she manage that to the directors? Direct Chat, si Hadia. How did she manage yung emotions niya? Kasi I can imagine yung roller coaster, no? Yung parang hindi na niya malaman kung anong gagawin niya. Do I choose work or just go see or go to my family and tend to my father?
Yeah. Well, syempre naman, we're all, even in ABS, di ba, kapamilya nga. So, syempre, family first. Maintindihan naman natin lahat yun. So, but how she handled her emotions was very mature, very professional. So, when we got to set, yun nga, parang, yun, she was focused enough. I didn't feel the distraction about it.
How old are you, Hadia?
I'm 19 po.
19, wow. How old are you, kuya? De, joke. Joke.